Okay, check this out. Guys, the day is today. The day of packing everything that belongs to me from this apartment. The day of packing everything here. I know, guys, you were not believing me when I said we broke up with Kari. Some of you were coming with the assumption that you wanna marry each other, blah blah, this and that. But you guys, I feel like you gotta believe it as time goes on. But anyways, that's not the story for today. That's not the story. That's not the story. Anyways, guys, today we are packing all this stuff. I wanna send them to my lighter, and they are going back home in Zimbabwe. To be honest, guys, life even been easier since this March and March thing happened, since foreigners were being chased away from South. I really appreciate I stayed in South Africa for such a long time, and I want to appreciate all South Africans. You know what I mean? I want to appreciate this country. It changed my life, played a very big role in my life, and if I was not in South Africa, I was not going to be a content creator. Truly speaking, there's better internet here, there's better network, and everything, man. Everything is just better and cool this side as compared to my country. Truly speaking, South African, I really appreciate you. Sometimes I roast you, but on this one, shout out to you. Anyways, guys, I think it's the time now. Go back home, start life, settle down, not doing ups and downs. You know what I mean? I wanted to sell the stuff, but I remember that it's not worth it. Maybe let me just carry my stuff back home. Though it's gonna be expensive, I don't mind, but yeah. It's so heartbreaking, man, but yeah. I'm picking this stuff to send it to my lighter. Anyways, guys, no option. This is the journey. I've started preparing for the journey to move back to Zimbabwe. And yeah, this vlog is gonna start here. We're moving back to Zimbabwe. And today we're gonna start by packing all the stuff, send it to my lighter. And tomorrow, if the flights are cheaper, I'm gonna book tomorrow's flight. If I manage to carry all this stuff and make sure that the Malaysia took them, I'm gonna book I'm gonna book the flights tomorrow, and then I'll hit the road. Anyways, guys, I love you so much. Keep on supporting me, and let's start this journey together. Let's get it. So, guys, so sadly that you see this TV. Unfortunately, I threw away the box. Now I'm regretting, boss. I had to look for this box. You know what I mean? I don't know how I'm gonna do it. I looked for bubble wrap, sellotape, and let's try to wrap the stuff. Oh, I need to do this on my piece, like to remove it, to unscrew it and make it pass so that it will be able to be carried by the malachas in the bed. So I packed, as you can see. Yeah, here's the bed, the headboard, the sheet. So yeah, guys, stay tuned, man. Yo, guys, I'm so hungry and tired already. I didn't know that this is so tiring. This paper will be sticking. This plastic, it's trying to roll it, is sticking. It's trying to roll it, is sticking. Yo, that's crazy. But anyways, let's keep on trying. Hopefully we'll finish. So guys, I've wrapped this sofa. Now left with disassembling this chair, wrapping the bed, and the people that are coming for late now. So the staff, they're now going. So guys, I'm gonna miss this view. Truly speaking, I'm gonna miss this view. It was such a nice view. Look at this view also. That was the next flat's chilling area. I'm gonna miss it, man. Like, I miss everything about this flat. Yeah. As you can see, I'm disassembling my chair, and I'm about to finish packing Which means today we're sleeping on the floor. Nothing new, man. We grew up sleeping on the floors, man. Like nothing new. Anyways, guys, let me finish packing and then I'll catch you later. So, guys, it's later today. What time is it now? I don't even know. I think it's around the. Let's search. I'm watching ZIMBABWE, by the way. I'm always watching ZIMBABWE. 16 past 12 a.m. right now. Just outside. Yeah, guys, I wanted to fly. Let me come here, guys. Truly speaking, this day doesn't look nice on me, but still, though, truly speaking, I didn't want to use the bus, but I was relaxing. I was not buying the ticket, and I was like, let me finish packing my stuff yet, because this year was taking time to remove all the screws. You know what I mean? To do it like this, and it was taking time. The blankets, to pack everything, to roll. I didn't know to wrap a bag. It would take years to make this room empty, to move everything. Oh shit! I was gonna forget my kicks. Thank God I came here. Yeah. So what I'm saying is, I was gonna forget my kicks. Honestly, what I'm saying is, I wanted to book the flight, and then I was relaxing. I was like, what the fuck? The flights are so expensive, so I'm gonna book them later on. Let me finish what I'm doing, because the flight stuff was like, times 2. And then after I was done packing the first bag, I was like, let me now book the flight. And guess what, guys? Guess what? It was returned sold out. The morning ticket was sold out. When I checked, I was like, there's no way the afternoon ticket is gonna be sold out again. Guess what, guys? It was sold out. I was stuck. Now I'm checking on Fast Jet. The ticket is 4,000. The ticket should be 1.6 or something, 100 years to come to Zimbabwe. Now the ticket is 4,000, bro. What the fuck? I checked on flight. I think it was like 4.7 or something. Checking on Airlink, almost there, 3.9 or something. And now I'm thinking, what the? I got a lot of luggages. I didn't know that my luggage was going to be as big as this. I don't even know what's inside there. Yeah, but a lot. And then the chair, and 2 monarchs, and there's some. I wanted to carry some plates, but I'm not going to do so. I'm going to give them away tomorrow. There's a lady I think who was going to come and fetch them here. Those plates. And 2 plate stove that I was using in that first apartment. And I think tomorrow I have to go and buy another bag to put this blanket and some shoes. Yes. And then this ring light, I'm gonna throw it away. And then this thing, I think I will have to buy another wrap like this to put this stuff in. You know what I mean? And this jacket, I'm gonna throw it away soon, because I'm no longer wearing it. So yeah, guys, hey, stuff. Today I'm gonna sleep on the floor with only 1 blanket and heater, because the other blanket I've put it in the, what do you call it, in this bag. And then it's so sad, guys. I'm gonna sleep here on the floor, and I'm gonna watch ZIMBABWE till around 1-2, and then I wanna catch tomorrow's bus for I think 1 p.m. So I'll have to wake up around 9, take a bath, go to the stores, request to the stores, go and buy the plastic paper to wrap my streaming chair. I should wrap it again and wrap it on top of that thing, and then wrap the bag. I'm gonna put the blanket and the shoes, and then we'll hit the road. But I don't even know how I'm gonna carry 1 bag, 2, 3, 4. The one that I'm buying tomorrow, 5 plus this thing. Yeah, it's painful. Then there's the brooms, the other things, the washing basket. I think the hangers and stuff, I'm gonna leave it for someone to take them away. Anyways, guys, I'll catch you tomorrow. Joe, another day, another Zola. So this one, I'm leaving it. This one, I'm leaving it as well. This one, I'm leaving it as well. And the plates inside there in the stove, I'm gonna leave this. stuff here. And then this one I'm gonna throw it away. Anyways, each bag is done. Second bag, third bag, and fourth bag. I don't even know what all these stuff are, babe. When I came, I only had 2 monarchs. But anyways, let's hope I won't be charged a lot. And we're going in a bus. Bus also gonna one. Now I think it's like around past 9 or something. And I wanna go now back station so that I'll be able to settle. Yeah, it's now manya. Anyways, so guys, my bags are. I'm not sure what I'm saying on the back station. But yeah, look to it though. It's the house. Gonka, it's empty. I don't know if anyone wants this apartment here. Just let me know in the comment section. If you want this, just let me know. 5,500 before my gates and stuff. Magesi unobhadhira wega mitera apa kwega. Mvura imitadi inopisa netunhu resi mitadi inozocharjwa panopera mwedzi. I need to close it. So yeah, if you want this apartment, just hit me up. I will give the list to you. We'll continue this here in this video. Never the luck that I shall follow but my deposit. The way say and stuff. It's a goodbye for now. Let's go park station. Oh, I left that one. But it's fine. So guys, let's go to the park station together. So I'm still learning Zulu, sir.
Yeah, 100.
So guys, I just reached at the park station, and yes, here I am at the park station. This is where we get buses, and here I want to connect to Wi-Fi so that I will use my laptop, and I just bought the bus. As you can see, I'm Sitabanga Praise Makara to Zimbabwe, and then yeah. So now I'm waiting for my food. I'm trying to connect this TS Wi-Fi here, free Wi-Fi, so that I'll be able to use my laptop. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. I'm gonna update you when I can tell those Simuka. I don't even know what my way I'm going to cost my bags. I don't even know how much they're gonna cost. But yeah, I know for real it's gonna be expensive because they are so heavy, and I don't know, man. Anyways, guys, let's hope I won't have problem at the border, because I heard that they are now paying duty and stuff. So yeah, anyways, stay tuned. I'll keep on giving you updates on game. So guys, I'm now in the bus, and we go transferred to Park Station. I mean, from Park Station to Powerhouse, because they were saying the bus which was supposed to come into 1, it's gonna delay, and it's come about around 2:30 to 3. So I was like, nah. And then they said we need 4 people that are in a rush, so that they will come and get the bus at Powerhouse. So I selected to come here. I took 2 of my bags and I left 2 of them. So which means chatanga kusvika mamwe acho azosvikawo maybe after 2 or 3 hours my bags can asvika kuhanana. So yeah, now I'm waiting for them. So yeah guys, we're out here at Midrand. They said we're only gonna have this first stop only in the SS side. I don't even know why. And then after that they're gonna stop in Mashenko. That's what they said. So I'm just gonna quickly go and pee and buy some, snacks. The way people are so full in KFC, they do as if they don't know KFC. Anyways, yeah, talking too much. Let's go just get some dry snacks, and then do I need anything in clicks? I don't know. Just go and quickly get some dry snacks, pee, and then hit the road. We don't need much. We don't need much. Oh, I think this is the toilets. Here's the toilets there. Was the problem when the bus is traveling, I'll be feeling so bored. So yeah, I think I need this one. This one is sweet. I like sweet stuff. I think I'm gonna take the sour one. I'm looking for the sour one. I guess sour this one. Yeah, I guess sour. I have a lot of insects, so many, I don't know a lot of insecurities, but I'm so insecure when it comes to buy this because I don't like sweet stuff. I always buy sweet stuff and then I will regret it later, so yeah. This one. I think this one is fine. Mint one. Yeah, so this is what we bought. So it's goodbye SA for now. I can't say forever. I can't say goodbye SA forever. For now, goodbye SA. Till we meet again. SA will forever be the backup plan for me. Whenever things are not sorted and whenever things are not going well, I'll always come back to crying SA. It's like home, this one. Anyways, yeah. This is where we are, Midrand. I'm now going back in the bus. Yeah, let's go.
Right, once again, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Wakwirira Midrand tatseta Morosana. Right, those coming from Johannesburg and Midrand, we are now one family on our trip to Harare. Before we do anything, can you greet each other?
Pendula diacela Ankosiam pendula diacela Ankosiam pendula diacela Pendula 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 oh pendula 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 pendula
So guys, right here it's Sasso garage in the transfer the border. Ini kuda service yakatako leso. Inasana musangana nacho. Nango inini, inasana musangana nacho. Nje kunyimwa stop.
Final destination yetu kupata sumu kata kumbera kumsiki nesha zero yenu akusuko na kwedu asinyesha za hapo ishi mtifamu la kanaka tufiki
Pendula diacela Ankosiam pendula diacela Ankosiam pendula diacela
Mirakan
So guys, nasida kukuze chakada tipress adzoke muZimbabwe. Akaona basa through this company inonzi Boni CV. In fact, ndakutsanangurira
ndakuzorega ndingovaudza ndega wani pane une dzungu uzinzo chakudzura mazivhudzi waya Anyways, guys, here's what Mango was talking about, guys. There's a company which is called Boni CV. This company, it helps you create my CV. If you want to look for a job abroad, it helps you create my CV. And also, besides go create my CV, poster my job opportunities are Australia, are kunyika zakasiyana, and it can be used worldwide. So this company also, I know you guys have been applying for my cruise ships, you have been applying for a lot of jobs, but reject. So this company, guys, it helps you to scan my CV. Shanda the same way shanda on AT, so scan my CV and ikanasikana maCV inokuudza zvinhu zvisiri necessary kuti uzvibvise. Vanhu vanozonyora kuti ndogara kushokunze, ndogara kuchitungwiza, this and that. All those information is not necessary when you're applying for a job. Your CV should not even be longer, and also unofanira kusamba kuti ana mapeji akatombowanda. So this website inoskana maCV yobva yakudza the CV rinoqualifya, yobva yakudza futi mapercentages kuti CV rako out of 100 mapercentages mangani uye rinoqualifya here kuti wane basa. Watona? So inobva yagadzirisa CV raya kana uchiqualifya kuwana basa, inobva yakudza rine mapercentage mangani, and then inobva yakubatsira kuedita, kuremova zvisingadiwe zvisiri necessary, yokucorrecta zvese. So this company inonzi chi?
Boni CV.
Machinzwira, guys, I want you guys to go on Boni website. Munosearch, it's a web app. The link, I'm gonna put it first link on the comment section. This is the logo of the company. You search Boni CVs and then you type. It helps you create my CV. In a free trial, guys, you can do free, and also you can pay a small amount. Kamara kasina pressure keungoti unyaso kwanisa kuaccessa a lot of tools and ukwanisa zvakare kudownloada CV yako. So guys, kana muda kutesta munoende papo munoshandisa pa free, munoona kuti inoshanda sei, and then kana manakirwa muri kuda kudownloada CV renyu, you pay a small amount. Please guys, let's go mese munoshandisa free trial yoyo, and then mubva mashandisa imwe yacho namo subscriber. Guys, udza vanhu vaende.
Guys, and I do it.
Yakachipa. Kada ende papa sina bondena ndiri panapa.
Aiwa.
Iye pressures, mukuona pressures wangu atokuro. Mai manje ndaka kuto apply futi pachi pa Boni CV. Saka tiri guys, atiri kudropa next video kusvika taona 100 plus vanhu vaenda kunoita sei kunoshandisa chi Boni CV. Saka ndozva ndiri kutaura ine zvimfaniro ongochudzire vanhu pa Zoom. Anyways guys, tapedza tasvika pa DNCF. Mombe, vaudze kuti kwavana svika safe.
Safe.
Saka takuvhara video rino, guys. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more and more content. Andika varofara kutanga valaika kusvika ku 2000 likes. Also like to 2000 likes.
Like to 2000 likes.
So that we drop another video for them. Ne?
We drop another video for them.
Chimbotaura chirungu. Chimboudza chirungu wancho unongoziya, wani chirungu chaunoziya. Awa chimodza wanchirungu asisi wangu ari kuboarding awa, guys. This is my little sister Mombakura. Mombakura, mira apa ndimbokutora zvoni. Ndimboratidza Mombakura vakomana. Swerera kutoni. Mwana mombe chatochi baby vakomana. Uri grade ani mombe?
7.
Mombe ari grade 7, guys. Zviri nomawere mombe wangu akura. Isine mai manje ndinoda mombe dzangu. Mombe ngani?
Saunoda.
20 cows. Yeah, so guys, if you have watched to the end, write down in the comment section kuti W Boni CV. W
Boni CV.
Anyways, let's like to chi
YouTube 2000
likes. Anyways guys, shout out, really appreciate it. Thank you.